It's not fun to not have our own Tumblr icon, aka profile photo. Let's change it. Hello everyone, this is Tech It Simple, and in this video, we will look into changing the profile photo in Tumblr. Let's begin. You want to select your blog from your dashboard by clicking on this account and choosing your blog. Now, to the right, there is blog settings, which has all the settings related to this blog. Once here, we can see edit appearance on the top. Click on it. Now, there is a pencil icon we need to click on. Let's choose a photo. Let's do something that reflects us. Pikachu, because we are Pikachu lady. Open it. Now, save to see if it indeed has taken effect. Go to tlo.com/Pikachu lady. Here we are. We have our brand new icon. Hope you like this video. If you want to receive future video updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.